Get the car off! Yeah, you can, man. Hey, whoever was involved in assaulting the shit out of me, grab yourself there.
Pearly white, just a jackknife has old Maggie, baby, and it keeps it out of sight. You know when that shark bites with his teeth, baby, scarlet billows start to spread. Fancy gloves, though, where's old Maggie? Move it! So there's never a trace of red on the sidewalk. Ooh, Sunday morning, lies a body just oozing life.
Certain fields call for certain roles in airsoft, and this definitely was not a DMR field. That's designated marksman for those that don't know, but I had someone build this DMR for me. That's the Red Beard on Instagram, and I really wanted to use it. This event was Operation Big House Syndicate 2 in Crescent, PA, where we were playing at an abandoned prison. We were out with several of our partners, Havoc Airsoft, Reaper 6, and Full Send Rico.
Cement is just, it's there for the weight to dare. 5 will get you 10 old Mackies back. Not you hear about Louis Miller. He disappeared, babe.
What's the matter with you?
Drawing out all his hard-earned cash. And now
Yeah, just
could it be?
So DEA and Cartel are on the same team now.
Yep.
Hello. Hello. Sorry, I shot you. What an idiot.
Moving, coming in. My bad.
Hey, go low, I got high.
Don't stop, keep going.
You got any grenades, Austin?
No, I threw them all.
Let's do it.
Just get to the first room.
Sorry. Seriously? I'm really sorry.
All right, you guys ready to move? Get about 4 or 5 guys in there. Ready? Go, 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 firepower, go, 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 go.
I gave you the beating, not that you deserved, but the one that he needed.
More people, more people. There you go. One, 2, 3, go. You guys ready? Who's got an SMG? I got a SCAR. Stand by. Stand by. Stack up on me. Right. Let them know. Keep moving! Go! Go!
Drag him back!
Go! I got him! Go! 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 Index!
I'm sure you're glad this video is over because clearing these rooms was a pain in the neck and it was quite painful. I mean, I ain't no BITCH. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way out. It really helps us build our channel here at BlueMag. Make sure you check out BlueMagAirsoft.com for all your ammo needs.